And politics has taken an ugly turn after the Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited Kashi and announced several developmental projects. In fact, inaugurated the Kashi Corridor Complex as well. But from Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav to Congress Member of Parliament Rahul Gandhi, all have launched a scathing attack on the Prime Minister. They've alleged that it was a stunt. Even today, the Prime Minister addressed a public rally in Varanasi. He met chief ministers of BJP-ruled states, but opposition continues to mount its attack on him, with the latest attack coming in from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
मीडिया में किसी और का चेहरा नहीं आएगा, किसी और नेता का चेहरा नहीं आएगा, बस आपका चेहरा आएगा। गंगा में कोई भी स्नान कर दे, वो टीवी पे नहीं आ सकता, मगर अकेले प्रधानमंत्री गंगा में स्नान करेंगे, पूरा हिंदुस्तान देखेगा, पूरा हिंदुस्तान देखेगा, क्योंकि एक प्रधानमंत्री के पीछे पूंजीपतियों की 2-3 शक्ति है।
देखिए, मुख्यमंत्री जी कितने समझदार हैं कि वो मां गंगा में डुबकी नहीं लगाए। मां गंगा में डुबकी क्यों नहीं लगाए? मेरठ गया था, हिंडन का पानी देखा है मैंने। पानी काला हो गया हिंडन नदी का। काली नदी पहले से काली है। यमुना का किनारा पूरा काला हो गया। चंबल अगर यमुना में ना मिले तो यमुना मर गई है, समझ लीजिए। किसने कहा था कि मां गंगा की सफाई करेंगे? क्या मां गंगा की सफाई हो गई? और यही गोमती जो आपके किनारे से बहती है, क्या मां गंगा के साथ साथ गोमती की सफाई हो गई? आप सोचिए कितना बजट इसमें चला गया। बजट बह गया, लेकिन कोई नदी साफ नहीं हुई।
बीजेपी का पास क्या मेरे को सर्टिफिकेट लेना है? हम हिंदू है, ना मुस्लिम है, ना सिख है, ना ईसाई है। तुम कौन हो? हमारा नाम टाइटल पिताजी माताजी दिया, परंपरा से आया। हमको ये बोलने शर्म लगता है कि अगर आप पूछे कि हम हिंदू हो और मुस्लिम हो, हम ब्राह्मण हो और कायस्थ हो और आदिवासी हो और ट्राइबल हो, अरे हम तो इंसान है। I also belongs to a Brahmin family. I am also a Brahmin. इसी के लिए बीजेपी का पास मेरे को कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेट लेने का जरूरत नहीं है। पहले बीजेपी को बोलना चाहिए, चुनाव आते हैं तो गंगा में डूब जाता है। चुनाव आते हैं तो उत्तराखंड में जाके मंदिर का अंदर बैठ जाता है। और कभी भी जब लोगों ने मरता है, वही मां गंगा में भसा देता है। जनता को क्रिमेशन भी नहीं करने देता है। मां गंगा को अपवित्र किया है, होली गंगा को।
All right, let's take this across to our guest. Joining us with us is Gopal Agarwal, spokesperson of the BJP. Also with us is Vivek Sailas of the Samajwadi Party. Vivek Sailas, at the end of the day, the BJP says the Prime Minister has met with 12 chief ministers. He's announced the Kashi Corridor Complex, which should have been done perhaps by previous governments but was not put in place. Being not just the representative of Varanasi but also the Prime Minister, he has every right to engage in various developmental works which he has put in place in Varanasi. And of course, whether you link it to the elections or not, he has every right to do that, is what the BJP is saying. So why is it that this development that should have happened earlier under previous regimes and is now being done is being criticized, is the question coming from the BJP. Your response to that, Vivek Sailas.
Yes, Madhavji, this has been a trend of the Bharatiya Janata Party before every election. It's good to be religious, but it's very sad that religion and religious activities are being used as election tools. If we see what happened in 2014, it was Ma Ganga ne bulaya, but the Ganges, Ma Ganga still remains to be dirty. I'll give you an example why. We talk about Varanasi today, as the Honorable Prime Minister was in Varanasi. 18.5 crore liters of sewage goes down the drain only from Varanasi every day. The Samajwadi Party had put the sewage treatment, that was what we call the STP, and even today, out of 18.5, 10.5 crore liters of dirty water goes into the holy Ganges every day. I'm talking only about Varanasi. 2017, if you see, it was Shamshan Kabristan. 2019, when the Pulwama attack occurred, sadly 43 of our jawans were martyred. The investigation is still under process. Nothing has happened so far, which is again very sad. And the Prime Minister Modi was busy shooting in Uttarakhand. He even stooped down to the level of putting the pictures
No,
of the martyrs behind.
why are you bringing a terror attack into this, sir? Why are you bringing a terror
No,
attack?
no.
Is a question that is
I am
being raised.
talking about-
What are you trying to say?
I am trying to say it is a trend of the Bharatiya Janata Party. They don't come to the promises. They don't come to the actual problems of the people of India or Uttar Pradesh. They divert by giving such statements and Shamshan Kabristan and things like this. Even
Okay,
the field
Gopal
of-
Agarwal.
If
Gopal
you-
Agarwal, this is the second time this evening that I'm hearing this charge. The Congress has also tweeted pictures of Pulwama and, of course, where the Prime Minister was, and also last night and today, where, in fact, they've brought in these various aspects. We're going to be debating that aspect, but I want to come back to the issue, Gopal Agarwal, of the direct charge that is being made by both Mamata Banerjee, by Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav, that religion is being invoked when there are elections in the state of UP. Your response to that?
So if you look into the Varanasi, the whole development of Varanasi, it cannot come in one day. It has taken almost 3 to 4 years to get this development done. So whoever is accusing that this is just because of election, then in one day, if this would have been done as like Akhilesh Yadav, when he was going to at the end of his term, he just inaugurated 300 projects. So he just got the Bhumi Pujan done for 300 projects. So that is the way which are done for election. But if you are building infrastructure like roads, railways, corridors, and putting the law and order into the proper perspective, putting criminals behind bar, it is not a single day work that is being done. If Ayodhya temple is being built, it is not in one day that you can build that. This corridor, nobody will say that it has been built in one day just for election. It is the commitment of Bharatiya Janata Party. We wear it on our sleeves that in our manifesto, we had told
Okay.
a huge Ram temple in Ayodhya. We will beautify Kashi and Mathura. These temples are our
Okay, it's an
commitment and
election
conviction.
promise that we fulfilled. Vivek Sailas, respond to Gopal Agarwal. He's saying it's an election promise. We have fulfilled that promise and therefore we are taking it back to the people. What's wrong with that is Gopal Agarwal's argument. Please respond to him.
Just now, Honorable Gopal Agarwal said it has taken 2 to 3 years to, bring up development in Varanasi. But Mr. Agarwal, Prime
I'm
Minister
taking
Modi-
temple, construction of this temple complex I am talking about.
Okay. But
Not
he has
the
been...
development to
Okay.
Varanasi.
Okay. Even Kyoto was promised. Samajwadi Party was building a metro in Varanasi. You got the people of Varanasi deprived of that. And very, very important thing I would like to mention, we were joining Varanasi to the Samajwadi Purvanchal Expressway. Why have you deprived the people of Varanasi from that facility? You just took out Varanasi. Why? What was the fault of the people of Varanasi? And even today, it's very sad that the Honorable Prime Minister did not speak a word about the Lakhimpur incident. The SIT team has said it was a pre-planned, cold-blooded murder, where the farmers were crushed to death by the Bharatiya Janata Party's MOS of state home. Why is he in the chair as yet?
Are you
It's a big
talking?
question.
MOS home has not done anything. It is completely false.
I'll just tell you why. It was the MOS home who said, Ajay Mishra
But the
Saini,
thing is
कि अगर
that
मेरे
Varanasi
बेटे में आज चाहिए तो मैं राजनीति से संन्यास ले लूंगा. It is that he said on national television.
I just want to come in here, sir. You can, of course, and I've seen several political leaders come out and say that this Ganga mein dubki politics should not continue and that action should be taken on Ajay Mishra Teni. But my question at the end of the day is that if there is something happening in Kashi, if there are development works that are in fact being put out for the public, they have been commissioned finally for public use, why should such an event be politicized in this manner, Mr. Sailas? Because you have the BJP which is saying that you had an opportunity when the Samajwadi Party or other political parties were in power to do this kind of development. You've not done it, others have, and now you're criticizing them for actually talking about it.
It's not the matter about criticism, Madhavji. If you see, Bharatiya Janata Party spends thousands of crores on advertisement. and they show factories of US,
where is the
they show
advertisement here?
flyovers of Kolkata,
it is an
they show
event which has been-
airports of any country, China.
There we have put
Haven't
up
you
no
shown that?
advertisement for this.
And dams of Andhra Pradesh, because you have not yourself done anything in Uttar Pradesh. That is why you are showing and borrowing photographs from abroad and even other states of India. Why is it show? Because you have not done anything that is very substantial in Uttar Pradesh. That is why you are bound to use the photos of projects of abroad.
Okay, I'm going to give Gopal Agarwal a quick chance to react. Gopal Agarwal, quick response from you, sir.
no,
Also,
we
questions
have to
coming in of
understand.
why, in fact, action not being taken on the MOS home when all that has transpired in Lakhimpur and the SIT coming out and talking about what was allegedly a plot.
No, but who has given this all affidavit and talk about SIT has been set up, investigation is being undertaken, FIR is there, and you will also three of the important BJP functionary, their Karyakartas also lost their lives. So
Okay.
investigation is required, and the government, the law and order.
All right.